Welcome to Easy and Home Style Cooking. I'm Mrs. Ragini. Today I'm going to show you a recipe with green chilies, and that too mirchi bhaji green chilies. But we are not going to make a mirchi bhaji, but we are going to stuff this mirchi and we are going to shallow fry this and have it just like this. For stuffing, we are going to use poppy seeds and little bit of coconut and roasted chana, and we are going to stuff this and just shallow fry it. So let's start. First we are going to add some poppy seeds. You can just add 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds, and this we are going to dry roast it. You know, this won't take much time to dry roast. You can just add the dry grated coconut and also some roasted chana. This you need not roast, but I am just adding it. For little bit of sourness, I am adding some tamarind. You can use chaat masala or even you can use amchur powder, but today I am making little bit South Indian style, so I added little bit of tamarind. And this mirchi, my aunt used to make it when I was a kid, and I used to love it like anything, but she never used to stuff anything, only some chili powder, some salt and some garam masala powder and everything, and she used to just shallow fry it, and we used to love this so much. And you can just have it with rice, sambar rice just beside. You can see the poppy seeds here are nicely roasted. Just switch off the flame, and this we are going to transfer into a blender and make a powder. Just transfer, and in this we are going to add chili powder also, lot of chili powder and salt. First little we are going to add, and this we are going to grind it. So here I have made nice powder. Dear friends, if you want, you can just add little bit water and make it into a thick paste also. Anyway, we are going to stuff this in our mirchis. So what I am going to do, first we are going to add in a bowl. I already checked salt, chili powder, all are perfect. So what I am going to do is just take a plate. I have taken the green chilies and I have slit it, and I removed little bit of seeds inside this, see, so that this won't have too much of spiciness. So you can just remove the seeds. And now what we are going to do is, either you can put the dry powder inside this. What you can do is just take little bit of powder, you can add little bit of moisture, either oil or even water you can add, and just mix it little bit. And now just fill this. I have tasted, this is nice, little bit sour, good amount of chili powder I added, and nice spicy. Salt is also perfect, and this we are going to shallow fry it and have it just like this. You can see I have nicely filled the masala. Now just take a pan and add some oil and just spread this. In this we are going to add the mirchis. We need to cook it till we get a nice color. Just cook it in a little bit medium flame. All the sides you need to roast this. The moment I put this mirchis in the oil, here nice aroma is coming. So just in a medium flame we are going to cook it on all sides. You can see this nice color. We need to fry this till we get a nice color like this. So dear friends, here you can see I have nicely fried this mirchi. You can just switch off the flame. You can see nice color. The green color has changed to little bit brown color. If you want too much color, you can still fry it, but this is perfect. And this goes excellent with rasam rice, sambar rice, curd rice, or otherwise you can just take a pulka, small pulka, and put your mirchi in center, roll it, and you can have this. Now I am going to have it. So dear friends, here is our stuffed mirchi with poppy seeds and roasted chana. It's hot. A little bit spicy and little bit crunchy of that, the mirchi. Only the outer part has nicely fried, but we can see a little bit crunchiness in our mirchi here, but this is very, very nice. As I told you, you need to have with curd rice, sambar rice, only rice. but remember one thing, try to remove the seeds, otherwise you may have lot of spiciness. I have removed maximum amount of the seeds in it. You can also do that and make this excellent simple dish. So dear friends, I hope you enjoyed this recipe.